Hassan. Hello.
Oh, Sara again, yo.
My dudes. Hi.
So
You guys are best friends.
bestie, yeah, we got
Bestie.
bestie. Yeah, we have to make today also TikTok, okay?
Good morning. It is day 6 on the Langtang Valley Trek. Yesterday I summited Syabrubesi, a peak of almost 5,000 meters, and it was incredible, but it was also well, I got AMS going down, so that was tough. I feel a lot better now. And today I am gonna try and get like halfway down to, I think, at least the area called Lama Hotel. It's like 9 hours from here. Fairly certain I can do it quicker though. But yeah, it's freezing and I'm just packing up the rest of my stuff. It's like minus 4 degrees outside. But I actually haven't showed you around my beautiful room here at the Summit guest house. So let me give you a quick tour before we get out of here. You enter here, and I have not 1, not 2, but 3 beds. I have slept on this one. I have used both duvets and my sleeping bag and worn my base layer because I'm a cold person. This one I have used as storage. This connects to the fireplace in the lounge area below, so I have had the privilege of some extra heat in this room. Here we have a clothesline, which is super handy for all your sweaty hiking gear. We have a power outlet that's actually working. We have the best view ever. I'm never gonna get over this. We have a sink with running water, and I even have my own bathroom, and it's not a squat toilet, it's an actual flushing toilet, and it works perfectly. Here we have a shower. On my first day I did try and take a shower, but there was just no hot water, so I gave up because fuck that. So I have just been doing the wet wipe shower. But yeah, super nice place. The owner is really nice as well. He's been checking in with me every single day, making sure that I'm okay. The kitchen boys are really nice, and yeah, highly recommend. Come and support him. I pay 500 rupees for this room per night, and then you buy food separately. But let's pack up and get out of here.
Yes, please. I'll check it. So.
Okay. Alright. Dhanyabad. Okay, bye-bye. So, this is the place for reference if you ever feel like staying here. It is just behind the pink building. Come on, lille yak. So when you see structures like this, you have to pass them on your right side. So this way, coming this way, and that way if you came the other way. If you ever feel like complaining that your pack is too heavy, just look at these men carrying wooden planks up the mountain in simple sneakers. So strong. I'm actually feeling surprisingly well given my state yesterday. I don't have a headache. My stomach seems to be going alright. And my pack has just sort of become part of me. I don't really notice the weight that much anymore. And of course it is pleasant to be descending instead of ascending. Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste.
I don't quite remember the name of this village. It's a bit of a traffic jam. Namaste. Strong. I think this is Shangyap, where I stayed on my second night. Yeah, there it is. Tibet guest house. Hasang! Hello!
Oh, Sara again, yo!
My dudes! Hi! Hello!
So where are you gonna stay today?
Maybe Lama Hotel or maybe Rimche.
You three guys are best friends.
Bestie, yeah, we gotta bestie. Yeah, we have to make today also TikTok, okay?
Oh, then we have to learn quick, guys. Did you make it to the peak yesterday? And you didn't die with your...
Yeah, with this. Yeah. That was really hard, but still, I didn't give up.
No,
I made it to the top.
that's good. I'm happy to hear it. Where are you guys staying tonight?
Tonight, Mundu. No, Mundu.
That's up there, no?
Domain.
Dolmen.
Yes, domain.
My friend,
Yeah.
I think I might keep going.
Why?
Because,
You will freeze even though you walk very slow today, because we are just going downhill, not up.
yeah. I just, I'm warm. I'm like in the groove.
So you are feeling warm.
Gotta keep the groove going.
Wait, one quick snap.
Okay, one quick snap. Where?
I will keep this.
Wait, चुप लाग्न. Wait. You.
म खिच्दैछु
खिच्दै है त ल. क्यामेरा मिलाउनु पर्छ कि तिमीले.
आइया
अब चाहिँ भयो.
Is it good?
Wait a minute.
ल. कता राम्रो हुँदो रहेछ.
With all this stuff on.
Oh, nice. Kiss. Yes, good. Sara.
You know this sign? It's shaka, it means hang loose.
Hang loose.
Yeah.
Hang loose.
It's like chill, chill guys.
Chill. Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, you too. There's a dead yak. I wonder how it died. There's a little lizard chilling. I wonder how close I can get without scaring him. You're a pretty guy. It's 2 p.m. and I have made it to Lama Hotel. There. I left at 8 a.m. and my map said that it would take 9 hours, so I've definitely been faster than that. Now I need to decide whether I'm staying here for the night and then walking the last leg to Syabrubesi in the morning, or whether I keep going a bit further today to make it shorter tomorrow. But I'm not sure if there's much point in doing that, because I do still believe that I will have to spend the night in Syabrubesi before I can get on the bus to Kathmandu. So maybe I just stay here. I don't know what my problem is, but after very minimal consideration, I have decided to keep on walking. I think that I'm aiming for Rimche, which is only 30 minutes from here, but I do recall the place, and there's a pretty view as far as I remember, which I think I would rather want than to stay back in Lama Hotel. Perhaps the facilities are a bit more basic in the next spot, but to be fair, it's all quite basic, and I like basic. So, yeah, on the road again. Oh God. Namaste.
You want something?
How much do you charge for a room?
How many people?
Just me.
Just you? Like we have normally the bedrooms with 2 beds, and then like if you want to use the Wi-Fi, then it's included in the room.
Okay.
The costing like 700.
Can we say 500 and I buy food?
Food and breakfast.
Okay.
Yeah. इन्डियनलाई अब 3टा चाहिने रे 3टा पुग्दैन त्यति बेला उरै बस्नु पल्लोमा Same room.
This one. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Okay. Not too bad. So I am staying at Ganesh View Lodge, I believe this place is called. It's only 3 p.m. so I could have kept walking because it's still daylight, but I have walked 25 kilometers with my heavy pack, and I did feel sort of hot. And I wouldn't have been able to make it to Syabrubesi anyway, but I will tomorrow. And I hope I can get on a bus the same day so I don't actually have to stay there, but we'll see. But yeah, the mattress is pretty shit, but there's light and there's a power outlet, and there are 2 blankets. Light bulb, power outlet, and okay, we actually can't see shit. Yeah, you know, that'll do. That'll do. And then I think we have, is that the Dalai Lama? I think so. And a beautiful sunset or sunrise. How good.